Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and today I'll be showing you guys a Halloween decorate with me video. I did one for fall as well, so if you've not seen that, I'll link it down below. And also, most of the things that I used to decorate in the video today I got from my recent Halloween decor haul from like the 99-cent store and Dollar Tree and Target, so I'll link that video down below as well. If you enjoy these decorate with me videos, please give this video a thumbs up so I can know to film more in the future. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would greatly appreciate it. But you guys, let's go ahead and hop into the decorating. Okay guys, so we're going to start in the dining room. And first I wanted to show you this cute jack-o'-lantern shirt that I'm wearing. It's super big, not flattering, and I'm wearing it with some leggings, so hopefully you don't mind, but I wanted to get in the Halloween spirit. I did actually pick it up from a thrift store haul recently. If you've not seen that video, definitely go ahead and check it out. But I just went ahead and cleared off the table with the old fall decor, and I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-surface cleaner. I'm obsessed with that stuff, and wiped down the table. And then I got this really cute like center, I don't really know, like a centerpiece mat, not quite sure. I got it from, I believe, like Marshall's for like $15.99. Then I'm using this Dollar Tree vase and these other Dollar Tree flowers for Halloween, as well as these sparkly sticks. They're all from the Dollar Tree. And then also these two skulls are from the 99-cent store, I believe, as well as these two spiders are from Dollar Tree. So just place that on the table and it looks super spooky and glam. That's sort of what I'm going for in this video. So all this was so cheap and it looks so cute. Now we're moving over to this little area after you walk in to the right, and there's my kitchen. So I just added this marble Bath & Body Works candle on top of the black little candle holder that I got from the 99-cent store. Got the little paisley pumpkin also from the 99-cent store, and then this Dollar Tree flower that I found, putting in that vase, as well as this RIP tombstone from the 99-cent store. So something very simple, but I absolutely love how it turned out. Now we're moving into the little area by my dining room, entering into my kitchen. I'm starting off with these pumpkins, the black ones from the dollar spot at Target, the silver ones from the 99-cent store, and the little candle holder that I put upside down underneath the pumpkin is also from the 99-cent store. And the trick-or-treat little sign is from the dollar spot at Target, as well as these two little bowls. I actually got them from my sister because we love Halloween so much. The bowl says which better have my candy, so I had to put some candy in there, and I just think it's super, super cute. I'm moving into my living room, and I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the fall stuff that I have. So the orange pillows I'm replacing with these cute pillows that I got from the 99-cent store. They're so cute, they're so soft, and I think I got them for like $3.99 each, which is crazy. So I'm just rearranging my pillows around, and I'm just trying to figure out what I like best. I'm pretty indecisive for sure, but I'm just going ahead and move it all around, and I eventually found the perfect placement for all of the pillows. So, you know, I'm taking out all the color because I just want the grays and the silvers and blacks and whites. That's what I'm going for, the spooky glam. I also got this little pumpkin from Dollar Tree, putting that right there. I'm taking out the other pumpkins. And then on my side table, I'm going to go ahead and remove that big orange pumpkin and the little mini white pumpkin. I'm going to take this silver glittery skull from the Dollar Tree, gonna place it on top of the side table, and then I'm taking this lantern and this lace black runner from the 99-cent store that I got last year. I used the same lantern in my fall video if you remember, and I'm placing this candle in the middle of all that lace, and I just added it underneath the side table just to add some extra spookiness, of course. So that's how the living room turned out, and I absolutely love it, you guys. So cute. Now we're moving on to the fireplace mantle. I'm taking out all the orange, taking away the flowers and the orange white pumpkins I had. And I'm taking this little black sparkly tree that I got from the dollar spot in Target. And this boo sign I got from Walmart. It actually wasn't in my haul, and I think it was only like $3.99 or something like that. I'm just moving the lights around, and then I'm going to add these skulls. 3 of them I already had from the Dollar Tree, and 2 more I got from the Dollar Tree this year. And they're all different colors, and I love them. Then I got this little sign that's also from Dollar Tree and added this little like medicine bottle looking thing, I believe also from the Dollar Tree. So then I decided I didn't like the purple light, so I'm just wrapping around those white lights. Then on the bottom I'm taking out all of the orange stuff, and I'm using this beware sign that is from the Dollar Tree, and this from the 99-cent store, which is a cute little silver owl. So I'm just making sure that it's standing up because it's like a half owl. Keeping the white pumpkins, and then adding this little broomstick that I got from the dollar spot at Target. And I got this gray pumpkin from the dollar spot at Target as well. So I just thought those looked so cute. Then I'm making sure I just have the gray blanket on top to match with all the grays and silvers. Then I'm taking this creepy cloth from the Dollar Tree and just adding it to the mantle to give it some spooky vibes, and just rearranging those lights as well. And that's how it turned out. You guys, I absolutely love it. And then over here on the little chair, I just added another lace runner to the side on top and just made it look like it was just dripping over as well. Now I'm using this Halloween banner that I got from the dollar spot at Target, I believe last year, and I'm just going to go ahead and hang it on there, and I really think that it really pulled everything together. And as soon as you walk in, you see this, and I absolutely love it, you guys. And when the fire is on, it's going to be even more spookier and adorable. These skulls just look so cute. I love how they're all different colors, and I can't believe I only got them for $1 each. And that silver pumpkin was also from the dollar spot at Target a few years back. So everything really came together, and this Happy Halloween sign is totally the MVP. I just think it's so cute. So that's how everything turned out, you guys. I also wanted to add in this clip of my little Bella girl. She just was so cute cuddling up on the couch. I love her so much. But that's it, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. I'll have it all linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy Halloween. Bye, guys.